Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram user not found. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step that you need to follow is to open Play Store and update your Instagram application. Once you update Instagram, you simply need to go and open Instagram, and then you need to click on the search, and here you need to search for the person. So I'm going to search one of my friend, but as you can see that I am unable to search for my friend because there are two reasons: either he disabled his account or maybe I blocked him. So I'm going to click on my profile picture and click on three bars and click on settings, and then I need to go into the privacy, scroll down and click on blocked accounts and click on the person, and then I need to unblock that person so that I contact with that person. So this is the process by which you can fix Instagram user not found. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.